3 tips for recovering for when you up a mix. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a veteran DJ or a new DJ, every once in a while you're gonna mess up when you're DJing in front of a crowd. Now, what's important is that you have the skill to know how to recover when you do make a mistake and you mess up in front of a crowd. So the first thing to realize is that no matter what, in the eyes of the crowd, it's your fault. You just gotta own it and keep it moving. But if it was user error, figure out what you did wrong in your set and don't make that same mistake again. If it's an equipment or technical problem, find it and fix it. Now, no DJ is gonna wanna hear this, but the second thing you can do, stop drinking so much when you're DJing. When you're drinking and spinning, your mix might sound great to you, but it doesn't mean it sounds great to a crowd. And the third thing you can do is take a break if you can. If you're spinning with another DJ, tap them in, take a break, catch your breath, it's all good. So remember, it's not about how you mess up, it's about how you recover. So make sure you hit follow for more DJ and music entertainment content. It's your boy DJ Prime.
Peace. I'm coming in hot.